Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your account on the Libertex trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Libertex trading application on your device. And after you have logged in using your credentials, you will be taken into the homepage. From here, you can check out the various different markets. Now, if you wish to verify your account to be able to trade much wider range of assets, then in order to do this, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. From there, tap on Verification underneath your email address. And now you will see the Verify button. Make sure that you have a proof of identity available with you. Once you tap on Verify, this will open up an external link where you will need to select your identity document and also upload a selfie. Tap on Continue and now just choose the issuing country as well as the document type that you wish to use. You can use your driver's license, your ID card, as well as your passport or residence permit. Upon choosing the document type, click on Continue, and now you will need to allow access to your camera. Once you have allowed the access, just click the photo of the front of the ID card, and once the photo for the front has been taken, you will need to take the photo of the back as well. Once both sides have been uploaded, you will then be asked to provide a selfie to verify that the photo within the ID is in fact you. After providing both your document as well as your selfie, your account will be pending the verification. And once the verification is completed, you will get a notification within your inbox or your email address. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your account on the Libertex trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.